Hello there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So let's make this amazing template. So the first thing you have to do is open up a blank slide. Then we're going to go to shapes and insert this round corner rectangle, make it fully rounded. Then what we're going to do is go to format shape, go to fill, picture text fill, insert an image, and then we're going to remove its outline. Here we go. Then we're going to insert our text, whatever the text you want to use, just add it. Then we're gonna send it to the bag and change its color. Then we're gonna duplicate it and give it an outline and place it in front. Here we go. The next thing you have to do is just put the text here. Then we're gonna duplicate the slide, go to the first slide, move everything out of it. And then we're gonna place the text here. Then we're gonna give both the templates smooth transition, and yeah, this is the final result. You just have to play your template, and yeah, so if you like this video, make sure to hit the bell icon.